If your games are lagging on your PS5, you're facing slow download speed, the download is stuck, and it takes forever to complete a download, then in this video I'll show you some simple tricks to speed up your PlayStation 5's network. If your network was working fine, but you're suddenly experiencing slow internet, the very first thing you should try is restarting the router and your PlayStation 5. This may resolve any minor network glitches and your internet may end up working just fine. Now after the restart, if the network speed is still slow, try forgetting and reconnecting to the wireless network that you are connected to. For that, open the quick menu by pressing the PS button, then go to Network, Network Settings, go down to Settings from there, and then set up internet connection. Now press the option button on the Wi-Fi you want to forget and select Forget. Then go ahead and reconnect to it. Also, if your router supports 5 GHz internet, then make sure that you are using that channel. You can do it right from here, so we'll tap on option again, and from here, go down to Wi-Fi frequency bands. As it's set to automatic, we need to select 5G from it, and this will improve your network speed by a lot. Press OK on the pop-up. After that, test your network connection, and you should see a visible increase in your network speed. You also need to make sure that your router is not too far away from your PlayStation, because if it's too far, then it will start reducing your Wi-Fi speed. If you can't move your router closer, you can also switch to an Ethernet cable, which is by far the best connection method. Just take an Ethernet cable, plug one end to your router, and the other end at the Ethernet port at the back of your PS5. Now, after connecting the LAN cable, you need to go back to Network Settings, then go to Settings again, set up Internet connection. From here, under Networks Found, you'll see an option called Set up Wired LAN. Press X to select it, and then connect. It will take just a few seconds to set it up. Using a wired connection, you'll not only get fast network speed, but the lag you face while playing online games should be resolved. But if you're still facing slow download speed, even after switching to wired connection, then you need to keep in mind that download speed also heavily depends on storage type. So if you have a slow storage or you are still using the internal storage, you may want to switch to SSD for better download speed. There's also some additional network settings that will help you make your connection stable and also boost your network speed. First, we will look at the DNS settings. Select Manual. Then we need to change the primary DNS and secondary DNS to a popular DNS server. For example, you can select Google's DNS or OpenDNS. We'll select Google, which is 8.8.8 for the primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary. Note that the same DNS settings may not work for all of us, so you should try switching to different ones and then test your network to see which one works for you the best. When you're done, press OK, and it will reconnect to the internet, and hopefully your network quality will improve. So these are the ways you can follow to boost network and download speed of your PlayStation 5. If you found this helpful, make sure to let us know, and I'll see you in the next one.